Have you noticed that News 24 has been compromising South Africa's national security? They are actually reporting on the failures of our military. Who does that? They reported on this in March and I decided to let it slide, but this is getting serious. So in March they said no planes, no pilots, no flying hours for South African Air Force. That was the first hit. Now News 24 is reporting to the whole world our loopholes and our weaknesses in our military. They are saying that the South African Air Force has lost major parts of its radar surveillance capabilities. So they are saying that South Africa is blind. They're telling the whole world that we are blind. We won't even be able to see enemies coming. Why, News 24? Why? So they continue with the headline. This has severely limited South African Air Force ability to monitor the skies, detect threats, and maintain the integrity of... I can't even finish this headline. Why? News 24, why are you reporting on such things? Are you saying people should just come and fly around in South Africa? What are you saying?